Hello friends, as part of our VBS 2021, the leader Thomas Daniel has given a task to our children to thank all the medical team, the police officers and the government officials for their wonderful ministry that they are doing to alleviate pandemic in India. And I too join with them to congratulate the government, the medical team, the social workers, the ambulance drivers and all those who work hard to maintain peace and health in our community. I wish them all the best.
We feel so thankful to all health workers, police and volunteers who sincerely helping us during this pandemic time. God bless you. From our VBS, we extend a heartfelt gratitude to you all. A big salute from our heart.
Thank you, Auntie, for helping us. We'll be behind you to fight this virus. Thank you, coronavirus.
Love you.
Love you.
God bless you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Thank you, all doctors, nurses, physicians, and housekeepers. My grand uncles, Dr. Abraham John and Dr. Thomas John, who are medical doctors and who have committed their time and energy for keeping the people and the community healthy and safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for working so hard and risking your lives. You are my inspiration. Thank you.
For all that you do, you are the real heroes of our country and we value every single effort to everyone.
To all the doctors and nurses, thank you for keeping us safe. We love you and support you. We thank you, health workers, for your sincere work and the continuous service to the patients. We are grateful for your sincere work and will always include you in our prayers. We appreciate all the health workers for working hard for our country.
This pandemic situation, the doctors and nurses are really doing good job, and I'm thankful for them become a doctor. Thank you.
Hospital. We thank you for our health service. My avatar, Amati, Papa, Mummy and the Tita were admitted in the hospital with COVID and I'm so happy they are back home with me. Thank you all so much for helping us.
Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Davis and today I want to thank all the healthcare workers, doctors, firemen, policemen and students and doctors and traffic officers on all the countries and all the sickness, check all the plague and away from this house. Let the plague go away from this country, go away from all the sickness and all the plague. Let it fully disappear. There shouldn't be one plague left. Thank you.
The Lord nurses them when they are sick and restores them to health. Thank you, Lord, for using your hand of your children to heal us. Thank you, doctors, nurses, and all healthcare brothers and sisters. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you for all that you do. You are the real heroes, and we value every single effort to save every life. Love you all.
Thank you, doctors and nurses, for fighting for our lives in this pandemic time, and I'm really proud of you and I'm giving you a big salute.
Who chose us over your family and left behind your life for the thousands out there. The nightmare of the illness slowly became a dream of recovery. All thanks to a wonderful doctor who changed the destiny of many patients. Our neighborhoods are safer when there is police who are in charge of protecting them. We thank you for protecting us from the coronavirus.
Being on the front line isn't so easy. We are safe here because of your tireless efforts. We are really grateful for your support. You truly are a hero. Thank you.
I would thank all the doctors for being corona warriors. Thank you so much for all your hard work and support. Your kindness and strength should be greatly appreciated.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Varghese and I'm here to thank all of the people in the medical field for your selfless efforts and sacrifices during this pandemic. I appreciate you all for risking your health to take care for our community. May God keep you safe and bless you abundantly. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor, nurses, and paramedical staff for all your sacrifice and risking your life for us. We love you. May God bless you.
Sending our thoughts and good wishes to all the healthcare workers and frontline staff for putting people before themselves to help the fight of COVID-19.
Thank you for the sacredness with which you discharge your duty. We are really proud of you.
Stay safe. God bless.
It's Joy Varghese. I express my salutation, appreciation and gratitude to all police officers for their concerted efforts and endeavors in maintaining the stability and order, especially working in a risky environment. They have demonstrated the high degree of bravery in executing the duties in this pandemic. Your humility, kindness and strength are highly appreciated. Thank you all police officers. I would like to thank all the doctors and nurses who are working in the hospital and are taking care of all the COVID patients. You are our unsung heroes. Thank you.
Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise, and people tried to touch him, because the power was coming from him and healing them all. But I will restore your health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. Thank you, Lord, for using all the doctors in the most wondrous ways.
Dear doctors and nurses, thank you so much for all your hard work and support during this difficult time. Thank you so much for taking care of the sick. We love you so much. Thank you. My cousin said, and I like to thank all the frontline workers and medical workers for you risking your life to save ours. Our community is better because of you. Thank you for everything. May God bless you.
I'm making this video to thank all the frontline workers right now who are working tirelessly day in, day out. So thank you for working to save our lives. I appreciate it.
This thank you note is for our doctors and nurses. Thank you for all the hard work and support during this difficult time. I am grateful for all the sacrifices that you are making to keep us safe. Words are not enough for your strength, courage and dedication. Thank you once again.
Hi all, I am Anil Thomas. And you to all Corona warriors. I am very proud to be here and of my mom. Thank you for your kind support. You are a real hero. Love you all. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Andrea Thomas. Thank you to all medical workers, police or volunteer workers. Thank you so much for all your support and hard work during this pandemic time. Your humility, kindness and strength are greatly appreciated. I am very proud to be a daughter of my mom as she is a COVID warrior. You are the real heroes of this country. Love you all.
I am so grateful for those people in our lives who keeps the world around us running, and I send a big thank you. I also appreciate all the hard work to make our lives better.
I thank my God, my family and my teachers and all medical workers to make our lives safer.
Thank you, Krupachiji. Thank you, Nishandi, for your service.
Thank you for working during this pandemic. I appreciate that you are risking your health to take care for our community. I am wishing to be safe and I pray for you and your family.
Thank you all doctors, nurses and medical staff for taking care of us amidst the pandemic.
Thank you to all healthcare workers. Thank you for taking care of the people who are in need. Thank you for taking care of the sick people. Thank you for being so brave. Thank you for your help and support. Please stay safe and healthy. Thank you.
Dear Dr. Sapna Aunty, this is Dasha. I want to thank you. Take care of me and others in this pandemic situation. Thank you.
Dear Binu Aunty, I would like to thank you for keeping us safe during this pandemic as a doctor. Your loving mind has kept each of us safe. Thank you for all your efforts and time.
I would like to thank my Appachin, Ammachi and uncle who are doctors for saving us from coronavirus, especially my uncle who wears a PPE kit and stays with coronavirus patients for 48 hours. I salute you all.
I am Sarah. So today is Unsung Heroes Day. So I am thanking all the doctors and nurses in the world who are still working now also in the pandemic time and sacrificing their lives to save people. I'm thanking them a lot. Love you all.
Hi, my name is Shalin Elspeth Joby. I'm very thankful for my grandma's sister named Minnie Amji who is taking care of COVID patient. God bless you, Minnie Amji, for wonderful service. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Stephen Thomas Joby. My friend Ryan's mother, Sindhu Aunty, is a nurse. She is very helpful during this pandemic. Thank you, Sindhu Aunty. God bless you.
Dear Santosh Uncle, thank you for taking care of us throughout this pandemic. Before I tell you that you are an extraordinary doctor, I would like to tell you that you are an extraordinary human being. Thank you for taking care of us throughout these tough times.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, policemen, municipal workers, cleaning staff, helpers and volunteers for their selfless service and dedication. Your service is really appreciated. Thank you once again for everything. May God bless you all.
My dear friends, it's been more than a year we haven't seen each other. But I'm so happy that VBS brought us together. Let's think about the heroes who are fighting COVID. I thank all scientists for creating the COVID vaccine in a short time that saved many lives. Thank you all scientists for bringing hope.
I would like to express my gratitude towards all the frontline workers, healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, etc. for their tireless efforts in saving millions of people's lives and for their remarkable sense of duty and dedication. They are the real COVID heroes. They are the superheroes, and a big salute to all of them. Thank you.
Hello doctor, I hope you're doing well. I always wonder how many patients you have every single day. It must be tiring to work in a hospital now. So I pray for you and I wish you all the best.
For your sacrifice and service to humanity, we all pray for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharon. I want to thank the doctors and the nurses who are working day and night. They are the real superheroes. Thank you.
Thank you, nurses. Because of you, we live in a happier, healthier world.
I would like to thank all the frontline health workers
for their efforts. Especially I would like to thank all the nurses for their selfless service. Thank you.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome.
We shall overcome someday.
ഓഹോ മനസ്സിനുള്ളിൽ പരിപൂർണമായി
ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. मन में है विश्वास, अब पूरा है विश्वास.
We shall overcome someday.